First draw some sketch, select rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Click on dimension to give the dimension to the rectangle. Give length of 700 mm, enter. And give width of 800 mm, enter. Now, you can see that the rectangle is not fitted on the screen. To avoid this problem, we need to set limits. But first we will know what is limit and how it works. There are two terms used in limits, that is lower left corner and upper right corner. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. When we are setting limits, the lower left corner should be the origin, that is 0, 0 position. The x-axis is 700 mm in length and y-axis is 800 mm in length. Then the upper right corner will be 700 by 800. Now we will learn how to set limits. Type a limit command and select it. You can see that it is asking for lower left corner. Give 0, 0 and press enter. Now give upper right corner. But remember that the limit area should always be greater than the drawing area. Give 600 by 500 and press enter. After giving limits, type zoom and press enter. Then type A and press enter to zoom fit. So this will be the working limit area. Now select rectangle. Select dimension. Give length of 200 mm. Width of 200 mm. Now you can see that this sketch is inside the defined limit.